If you want to learn how I did this look, just keep watching. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. So the holidays are creeping up. I personally am not ready. Today we are going to do a little holiday glam to get in the spirit. I've put in green contacts because I figured green and red is like Christmas. So without further ado, let's get into this little holiday glam. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my braids back to keep them out of the way. I gotta touch them up a little bit. They look a little, but that's okay because I will fix it. I already washed my face and moisturized, so my next step is to do some eyebrows. You see, I don't have any eyebrows. They're kind of growing back in. I usually shave them around this time when they start growing in a little fuzzy like this, but I think I'm gonna leave them a little holiday pizzazz. To do my brows, I'm going to use Full Up Brow Powder. Yay! Okay. So these look questionable, to say the least, but I'm going to go in, clean it up with some concealer, and get them looking a little less questionable. I'm going to take some concealer on this brush and kind of go in and cut the shape of that brow to be what I want it to be. So I'd like to think that I got the bottom line correct, but the top line, this one still comes up just a little bit higher, so I'm gonna go back in with Full Up Brow Powder and kind of fill in that little section there. The best part about Full Up Brow Powder is the harder you push, the darker it is, so you can get a little more drama out of it if you wanted to. So now that the brows are done, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. I'm going to bring them in a little closer and we're going to create a really fun holiday eye look. I'm starting off with an eyeshadow primer to make sure that the eyeshadow has something to stick to. I'm just putting some on my lid and then taking a little fluffy brush and spreading it all over my eyelid. And I'm going to do that for both eyes. Now, taking the whitest eyeshadow I can find, I'm packing in white in my inner corners and I'm kind of blending it out just a little bit. Here's what it's going to look like afterwards. Ignore the fallout, just trust the process. Now, taking a very, very light brown, I'm putting it right next to that white so it can help blend the next color. The next color is going to be this deeper brown here that I'm adding to add a little bit of dimension. I'm just blending it right on top of that light brown and doing that to both of my eyes as well, and here's what it looks like. Now I'm just taking a clean brush and kind of going around the outside to help it blend into my brow bone just a little bit. If you haven't noticed, there's a little bit of a trend with this look, so the next color is going to be an even darker brown, adding that right next to the brown that we just added. Again, just continuing to blend and blend and blend, and here's what that looks like with the darker brown added. And then, you guessed it, finding the darkest brown that I can find, I'm applying it in the outer corner. This one doesn't need to be as blended because we're going to do a wing, well, a faux wing. So to create this faux wing, we're going to take a black eyeliner and line the top of the eye, but do not make a wing, just go right up into that dark brown. Just continue as if you're going to make a wing, but then don't. And then you're going to fill it in like so, and then you're going to take that same dark brown and just go right on top of that liner and blend it all out. This look was also inspired by Nezra Looks on Instagram. Definitely check them out and give them a follow. Just continue blending till it's perfect, and then I'm going to add some lower lash liner here, and now it's on to foundation. So now that I'm back and zoomed out, the first thing I'm going to do is take some micellar water on a cotton ball and clean up all of this mess of fallout that happened on my face. I did my foundation off camera following the Perfect Base routine, which is linked in the bio, and now it's time for blush. Now, using our Lip Atelier in shade 212, I'm applying some on my nose and on my cheeks. It's giving Rudolph, but it's the holidays, so I'm not mad at it. I'm now applying some setting spray and blending it all out. This formula is so smooth that it blends seamlessly into the skin. After making sure everything is blended, I'm going in with our Lip R&R exfoliating lip balm to help prep my lips for lipstick. Next, I'm going to line my lips with a red lip liner and then top it all off with our Lip Atelier in shade 212. I'm obsessed with this color. It is the perfect amount of drama for me, and it just feels so good on your lips, and I'm truly obsessed. So once that is done, here is the finished look. You could choose to add lashes or not. That choice is yours. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a happy holidays, and I will see you all next week. Bye!